Hello everybody, and good. Yeah, let me hear back. Okay, so nice and clean here. So hello everybody, and good early morning here. At least here in Sao in Borneo, it's almost 3 a.m. here. As I'm speaking right now, it's around 20 seconds before 3 a.m. on 16th of June. Yeah, 16 June 2026 on Tuesday. And this is going to be the launch of the Spectrum rocket by the Isar Aerospace or Isar Aerospace. This one, we are going to see the second launch of this mission. For the mission title name, if I remember correctly, is the Onward and Upward. Yeah, so I'm correct there. And we are going to see that soon. And I'm pretty much sorry if you see I'm going live quite late there, because for whatever reason suddenly there's firmware update for this microphone, so it took me a bit of time, and unfortunately it is what it is. You can plan as much as you can and things happen, but otherwise we should be good to go. And all we have to do is just wait for the Isar Aerospace to indicate whether or not they are going to go live or not. We will see, because by now Isar does not yet click any kind of live here and there. And yes, we have to wait as well. This is pretty standard. Yeah, this is pretty standard, so far as we can say here. And that's it. We will wait for a little bit before we can continue and proceed with this live, because by now I'm not 100% sure if Isar's going to proceed with this one, but otherwise um this should be good. Okay, and from the mission updates overview from the Isar Aerospace website, it doesn't indicate too much, but probably I will let you see. Okay, so this is my avatar here. And yes, before I'm going to give a little bit of greeting and whatnot, this is me. I'm just being candid here. I'm still waiting just as much as you do. Okay, and this is the official page. What am I even doing about here? Let me see. Yeah, it's okay. It's what it is. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, this one. This one is correct. Ah, this is what I meant. Yeah. And so far, can I do this full page, I believe? Yeah. Okay. So this is the page. So far, it did not indicate anything else other than that. Here and there, you can still see here just opening remarks, and they do not indicate any kinds of mission late preparedness and whatnot. Still, they still looks ready to go, but otherwise is what it is. And last time they really want to launch this on 9 April 2026, which is around 2 months and a week ago. So it is what it is. We are still waiting. Okay, and so far so good. Maybe not much else I can tell, but we are still waiting whether or not they are ready to launch for today. We are still waiting here, and probably in the meantime also, maybe let's talk just a little bit here and there. What do we want to talk about? So just put it in the live chat in case any one of you want to chat, because I'm also still waiting by now. All right. But don't worry, we are still reserved here. We are still waiting. Maybe to give you a little bit of time here, just to let you know what we are looking at about. Maybe all I can do is I want to show you to show you the Spectrum rocket in question, how it looks like. Okay. And maybe it's better for me to just formally announce myself here. So hello everybody, and good early morning here from Borneo. It's 3:05 a.m. here on 16 June 2026 on Tuesday. And this is also a bit dependent on where time zone you are right now. Probably you're still on the 15 June 2026. It's okay. Yeah, we are just a bit 8 hours ahead of universal time coordinate UTC +8. So it is what it is. We're still waiting. And looks like, even from what I can see from NASA spaceflight live stream, they also still waiting, just like myself did. Okay. And it's also okay, because today, if everything goes fine and they did not announce any kind of cancellation, this will be the second flight of the Isar Aerospace's Spectrum rocket, which will be the second orbital flight attempt for the Onward and Upward mission, which will carry 6 payloads on board for this mission. And for this one, there is 5 CubeSats on board, and also 1 attached payload, aka the payload that's not intended to be deployed for this mission. Okay, maybe I can give you a bit of list here and there while we're still waiting, or maybe I can allow you to see how the rockets looks like. Okay, so nice, it's attached here. So this is how the Spectrum rocket looks like. Okay, but to be specific, rather than giving you the with one. Okay, and this one, as you can see, this one is from the failed flight attempt of the Spectrum rocket. This one, the first flight, if I remember, it's called Going Full Spectrum. Fortunately, no payloads on board that mission, but well, it's what it is. If I remember, the reason why this failure actually happens is because of the aggressive. Number one is due to one or few of the engines underperform, but at the same time also because the cost vectoring control, basically responsible for steering the rocket engines here and there. For the Aquila rocket engines, the sea level Aquila on board the mission, it's aggressively steers, and too much that it sways way beyond the control, and that's how it falls down. And this is how the Aquila rockets looks. Aquila rocket engines on the bottom of the Spectrum rocket looks like. Okay, with the 9 Aquila sea level. On the upper stage, if I remember, it's only with one Aquila vacuum engine for the second stage. Okay, and all of it were actually powered by the if I remember, this is the propane. Yeah, by the propane. Okay, but just to be a little bit specific, this is also what we call as the propellant. If you being very curious what propellant stands for, the liquid oxygen is the oxidizer for this mission inside the tank itself, while the liquid propane, which is also very cold as well, or aka basically something that's also being used for the cooking fuel, some things you use for the LNG stuff, as the as the fuel for this mission. And to show you a bit how the color looks like, especially when it burns, something looks like this. Yeah, it should be looking like this. Okay, so this is how the proper looks like when it's burned together. And so far, from what my understanding is, that at least on the rocketry sides, on the LNG, the liquefied natural gas that's being used for the rocketry mission, there's only two kinds that they are currently in use right now. The first one is the liquid methane. That one is super popular, especially currently being used most famously by Starship. I think some of you knows what is Starship, but in case you don't know, well, just give me a little bit of time. I'm going to search to you what Starship is. You might know this one is from SpaceX. In case you don't know what even Starship is, let me see. What's the best representation? I believe it should be this one. Yeah, should be this one, especially the recent variant. Okay, so this one is the Starship. Pretty much popularized the usage of the liquid methane, even though this is not the first one that actually uses the liquid methane. Another one also I can show you. Okay, New Glenn rocket. Okay, yeah, New Glenn rocket. What am I talking about? I'm just telling you here. And also, if I remember here, another one. Nope. Where is it? What's even the most suitable that I can show you as well? Maybe this. Okay, so another one is what I would like to show here. Here is the New Glenn rocket. You've already known about, maybe some of you already know about this rocket, but also the one that's also popularized the usage of the liquid methane in the recent year as well. And especially if you hear the recent news about the New Glenn explosion, yes, it actually it actually really surprised most of us in the spaceflight community, even myself, because it's also tied with the NASA's Artemis mission, especially with the Blue Moon lander as well. That's why it's pretty shock. But fortunately, from what do we heard about from the Blue Origin, especially from its CEO, Dave Limp, if I remember correctly, he said that actually they can actually retrofit it to retrofit the Blue Moon lander, which I'm going to show you as well. Let me see. Blue Moon lander Mark 1. Okay. In case you want to know, I think which one is better for me to show. Okay. Yeah, like this one. Okay, this one is for the Blue Moon lander. This one is the Mark II, but however it's pretty close in real life as well with the Blue Moon lander Mark 1 here. Let me see again, which is the Mark 1. Yeah, it's actually not really that far away. Something with this one as well, if you want to see how big is this in real life. If I remember, Scott Mendy actually visit this on the spot. Why does it tries to download or something? Never mind, but I think you might get the idea on my just above slightly a little bit of my avatar. You can see that is the Blue Moon Mach 1 lander. That one can be launched on board the, if I remember, on board Falcon Heavy and also Vulcan Centaur rocket. So that's pretty relieving to know about that. Okay. And also what I'm going to show you here, another one, this one as well, is the Juke 2 rocket. This one, if I remember, is the, you can say, officially verified the first rocket, with the propellant combination of the Metalox, the liquid oxygen and liquid methane propellant, successfully launched for the orbital mission. This one is the first one ever in the history, but the rest of it, well, you know, with the new Glenn Starship, but Starship is not yet there. Just give it a little bit of time, it will also going to go orbital as well. But here and there, that's basically the point of the of it. Okay, and I hope it doesn't entirely bother. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! So looks like they announce it. They announce it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you really come here thinking there's going to be launch today, but just in here 9 minutes ago. Okay, I can bring you the official statement here by. Oh, I'm actually very excited to try to show here, but man, why? It's a bit of, it's a bonker here. Okay, so this is the official. Oh, why does it not show us here? Okay. Oh. Let me see. Let me troubleshoot a little bit. Okay, why it does not detect anything else here? Let me see. Let me see. So, give me a little bit of time. I need to figure this out. What happened with this? Let me see. Is it something to do with the? Okay, so I don't know why that one actually broken, but otherwise, here's the official statement from the Isar Aerospace. Okay, okay, so apparently they are standing down from today's launch attempt. So it turns out that they are detecting of nominal behavior in the vehicle's fluid systems, and the teams are currently analyzing the new data to isolate the root cause. So no wonder why. I'm sorry, everybody. If you're really coming here for the launch, I'm very sorry. I apologize. Usually, by the time they really want to go to live, they usually will go live either sharp at that stream time or before the sharp stream time. But apparently, it's not going to be for today. Not today, everybody. So I'm very sorry. It doesn't happen for today. Oh no. Oh my goodness. So looks like it is what it is. Man, I'm very excited trying to show you here. But things doesn't happen, unfortunately. It is what it is. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't happen the way we would like it to happen. So you see, that's why I need to maintain this another website here. Oh, so Mandar 17. Yeah, where can I watch this live? Originally, it should be this link that's right now, unfortunately, says unavailable. So unfortunately, the mission's not going to happen today. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm knowing this just as much as everyone else here do. Okay, this one is the official statement from the Isar Aerospace. Unfortunately, they are standing down from today's launch attempt, aka just another word for we have to delay the launch. It's not going to happen today. And where is it? There's another one here as well. Another statement. Let me see. Yeah, it should be here. Yes, unfortunately, it doesn't happen today. So that's why I said it's pretty bonkers. I'm really excited trying to show you the stream today, but oh well, Mandar, I'm very sorry. It doesn't happen today, and that's why I maintain to stream here. You see why? Unfortunately, it doesn't happen, and yeah, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry putting all of you guys here like this for nothing. Oh man. I mean, I don't know what to do. But anyhow, maybe the only best thing we can do is just wait for another time as well, I guess. Well, but it is what it is. This normally happens, especially on already few streams ago as well. It happens from time to time. It got delayed. And also I'm going to update to the description. Yeah. Oh yeah. So Mandar 17, you said here, it's okay, nothing we can do about it. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for your understanding. There's nothing I can do as well. Just as the rest of you doing here. I mean, man, we are very excited to show to you here about the launch today, and it got cancelled. And that's it. It's just bonkers away. Oh my. I mean, man, I'm serious. I want to show to you this launch, but it is what it is. Everybody, don't worry. If there's any kind of other updates as well, maybe I'm going to update to my channel. And also, I don't know if this is something that I can do. Maybe shameless self promotion. I don't know, because you are coming to my channel, right? So it's pretty fair. You can subscribe to my channel, and also probably better for you to follow to my how do I say, my social media. I only have two social media that I actually maintain here right now. Twitter/X is just mostly for any kinds of update in case I need to use. This is the only that I'm using right now. Mastodon, okay, as you can see. And also with the this one is Mastodon. Yeah, Mastodon 1. What I'm talking about. Okay, this one, Mastodon, and also Blue Sky. This is the only page that I'm maintaining so far. If there's anything I will relay, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Sometimes I just only going to repost if there's going to happen. And maybe occasionally I might even update here as well. Maybe, just maybe, not 100% guaranteed, because well, it's what it is. I'm not much active here on Twitter/X, but I do much active on Mastodon, but mostly just to post. And also Blue Sky is where I active the most. So you guys can follow me there instead if you really want to. And you can subscribe to my channel, because I still will update from time to time. Don't worry about that. That's going to be one of the guaranteed things to do. So yeah, thank you so much. I think maybe, let me see, maybe before I'm ending here, things happen, but I don't have the other socials, but subscribe. Oh, thank you, Manda70. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And I'm really sorry for this weird shameless self promotion. because I don't really have that kind of fan base in the first place, so it's weird trying to speak out like this in the kind of public space, but what option I have right now. So yeah. 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 Okay, let me put it here. Future missions as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Mandar 17, and also everyone. And also because this is a pretty much early morning, I don't think it's very good for me to just keep myself awake for too much. So maybe it's better time for me to just go sleep by now. So yeah, I hope you don't even bother about this one. I don't want some people here try to say, well, these dudes try to clickbait stuff. No. I'm not to. I don't have any kind of intention to do that. I really excited to show it to you, but unfortunately it got scrubbed. So what else? What I can do? So I have put it here. Okay, so here I will, so I have update the the title there, so people should know they should not click this live stream. So anyhow, thank you so much everybody for watching, and thank you so much especially Mandar 17 for subscribing and yeah, and following this channel. I will keep everyone else posted here, and sometimes I need to tell you, sometimes if there's even last minute update, I also have to post as well. But it is what it is. So due to the delay of this mission, I will actually come. The next stream I will do later on will be here. It will be for tomorrow. Tomorrow, how do I say, tomorrow midnight, for the Cargo Dragon CRS-34 undocking mission. Yeah, so fortunately I don't have to wiggle too much the numbering there. So yay, the numbering safe, and I have chance to use the very much almighty thumbnails look that I want to use previously for the CRS 35, originally for the docking mission, but it got scrubbed. But whatever, I'm going to stream this one, and it looks like tomorrow it's going to be 4 streams. I need to tell you something, and all of it has very variability. This one definitely can happen with little unpredictability for the Cargo Dragon CRS-34 undocking. So fortunately, this is on the list. And tomorrow there will be 3 rocket launches. Oh, is it? Yeah, 3 rocket launches. What? Wow, that's bonker crazy. Okay, so this is for the Long March 12. I've already put up the stream on my channel, so you can see me there, fortunately. Okay. Oh yeah, this one is for tomorrow. Yeah, correct. What I'm talking about, this is for tomorrow. Okay, and another second one for the Bluebird 8 to 10 mission, Bluebird Block 2 flight mission 3 to 5. Okay, this one should be considered as the return to flight for ST Space Mobile, especially for their Bluebird satellite constellation fleet there, after the failed Bluebird 7 mission, onboarding the New Glenn rocket by Blue Origin. I actually covered the mission before, but if you see the mission preliminary before that failure happens, I preliminarily declared the mission as kind of, well, it's still on the way, but so far so good, looks successful and whatnot. But subsequent update by Blue Origin indicates that the second stage of the new Glenn, unfortunately, it failed to reignite for the second time. So it's really putting the Bluebird 7 literally on unusable orbit. So they unfortunately have to deorbit it, and the mission considered failed. And possibly also, I guess they also got some of the space insurance money. Yeah, very premium, hefty space insurance money, just to recoup their money back in case anything's happened. And boy, oh boy, I think ST Space Mobile did get there. Really did get their insurance. And another one would be for the Amazon Leo LE-03 mission. This one will be launched onboarding the Ariane 64 rocket variant, the 4 solid rocket boosters, hence that's why it's called Ariane 64. Nothing to do with the 67. Okay, so that one is a really poor attempt for me making weird joke, but whatever. So this is for the Ariane 64. That's why, hence the ending number is 4. Okay, with the 4 solid rocket boosters. But this time, for this flight, it will be the inaugural SRB flight for the P160C. This one, from what I know, is that the outside appearance does not change that much, but inside of it actually added 1 meters of height. So it's going to enhance the performance, and it's going to carry around, if I remember, 38 or 36. Precisely 36, if I remember correctly. 36 Amazon Leo satellite constellation for this mission. Okay, so we are going to see that soon. Another definitive one, I believe, will happen as well for the 10 all of 10. Yeah, I'm pretty bad with this tongue twister sometimes, but it is what it is. This one for the Strix 8 mission by the Synspective. Okay, this one is for the Earth observation satellites, both for the commercial and also for the national security payload as well. Yeah, so there are much of the payload on boards that can be considered not 100% revealed, but otherwise it is what it is. This one will be launched on board the Electron rocket manufactured by the Rocket Lab and also operated by Rocket Lab for the mission. This one will be launched from the New Zealand. And the launch pad, so far we know it's launch pad 1, but or launch complex 1, but we don't know whether or not it's going to be 1A or 1B. So keep an eye. I will give some update via repost, or maybe if I'm very how do I say, not lazy enough, I will write a post in case anything else. And for another one is the NROL 179. Okay, this one also targeted for the Thursday on 18 June 2026. Previously, what I said for the tomorrow would be for the 17 June 2026. Okay, this one, NROL 179. This one is basically a spy reconnaissance satellite constellation. This one based on the Starlink architecture, but let's just say consider as the heavily modified version of it. So there are lots of secrecy about the exact payload behind it. Even though the civilian stuff we know about Starlink, we pretty much known about it for quite some times. Okay, and also this one on Saturday, but I will not be able to stream this one because, or maybe yes, maybe not, but I'm leaning more on the not, because well, it's going to be time to go to church on Saturday, in case you want to know. So, unfortunately, I'm not be able to stream this one, Global Star 2-R Mission 1. This one is also for the internet satellite constellation mission as well. But if from what I know, Global Star is basically currently on the process of getting absorbed by the Amazon Leo department themselves. Yeah, because they actually purchased this company as a whole. So this one would be the subsidiary. This one would be this acquisition, this absorption to the Amazon Leo will be completed next year in 2027. So it's going to be under that. Okay, with the 9 satellites in internet constellation will be for this onboard this mission on board the Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket by SpaceX. And some of you also know about this kind of about the SpaceX IPO, the initial public offering hype. But my personal opinion about SpaceX stocks, this one not to be construed as the financial advice. You need to do your own research if you can. But my personal opinion, it's like already overheated. So I'm not buying any kind of SpaceX stock. So this one is a bit very important as the disclaimer. And yeah, and I guess that's it, pretty much it. And also another one, but not 100% sure, will be the Long March 7A launch. Okay. As well, for this one will be launching from the Wenchang Space Launch site from Hainan Island, China, from the Launch Complex 2 or 201. Okay, this one would be another launch as well, but from what I can gather, this is between 23 to 26 June 2026, so not 100% confirmed yet when it's going to be time, but it's what it is. And the rest of it, that's it. I don't want to waste too much time, and I need to sleep as well, and so most of you do. So thank you so much everybody for watching. And unfortunately, the launch for the Isar Aerospace's Spectrum rocket for the second flight orbital attempt mission of the Onward and Upward unfortunately got cancelled, or basically got scrapped for today. Unfortunately, it's not something I can control. It's not even Isar Aerospace can do much other than scrubbing it, but well, for safety and whatnot. And we don't, and there's actually one famous phrasing in the aerospace circle. It's actually called this one: better scrub than rot. And in case you want to know, RUD, RUD, actually stands for Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly, aka basically just another word for rocket goes kaboom, rocket exploded, the things goes wrong. So basically that's what RUD is all about. So I guess this kind of phrasing is, what do we know? Better scrub than RUD in this case. So yeah, unfortunately not much else we can do, but it's what it is. And I do really need get really good sleep right now, so I don't want to waste any more time. I've already enough talking here. So thank you so much everybody for watching. I'm Dennis Suguwa, your host today for this unfortunate scrap of this Spectrum rocket launch flight number 2 Onward and Upward mission by Isar Aerospace. And I'm also very excited, just like many of you do. Not much else we can do, but I'll keep everyone here posted via, if not via my channel, also can be via my social media on Mastodon and also Blue Sky. But I'll try my best to keep these two balanced if I can. So yeah, thank you so much everybody for watching. I will see you soon on the next flight attempt, if you're solely watching for this one. But otherwise, if you don't mind with other rocket launches, well, see you for tomorrow, or maybe before tomorrow. It's going to be before the midnight tomorrow, so it's going to be technically today. So see you around less than 24 hours from now. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and take care. Bye bye, everybody, and take care. And how do I do? I hope I don't use too much filler word because I tried my best. Okay, I'm really trying my best. Yeah, so I've already tried my best. So that's it. Bye bye, and take care. And as for me, I will sleep for now. Bye bye, and take care. Stay safe.